Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Your Success Matters. I'm your host, Velvet Briere. If you're new to my channel, please like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel. Please click on that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Okay, so I thought I'd bring you guys a different video for a change instead of talking about my main opportunity, which is, postcards and flyers. So there is an opportunity I am a part of. I know you guys know what it is, ShopKick. This is an app where you guys can earn money scanning items and uploading receipts and referrals, okay? So I have a terrible, excuse my drawing, you guys, I have terrible drawings. This is a phone right here. It's supposed to be a phone. And then this is how you earn. This is like the scanning receipts. And so yeah, let's just get into it. So the ShopKick app I've been using for a while. I have cashed out like 4 times already on this app. 10 times I've cashed out $10 like 3 times already. I've cashed out $25 once. I showed you guys that as well. In my opinion, I think uploading receipts is a lot faster to earn kicks. I did that today. I bought 3 items at Ralph's chips, 3 bags of chips, and it was 950 kicks each bag of chips. I earned 950 kicks. I had 638 kicks in my balance before I added that, and it got it up to 2,638 kicks. So I was able, actually 3,000. I showed you guys the video. I think I showed you guys. I'm not sure if I did, but anyways, I did cash out $10 today, yeah. So with the ShopKick app, you can download it on your phone right here. That's supposed to be a phone, and you can scan items or you can upload receipts. Right. So there's 3 ways to earn. You can sign up. And when you sign up, the information will be in the description if you would like to sign up. I'll leave the link in the description. When you sign up, you're going to go to the store. You're going to eventually go to the store, whatever store is on your app, and within the ShopKick app, click on the store you want to go to. Or if you happen to go to that store, you're doing some shopping, and you happen to go to like a Rite Aid or Walmart or Target or CVS, you want to get 10 kicks. So find an item that's worth 10 kicks after you sign up. And once you get your 10 kicks, you activate your 500 bonus kicks, okay? 500 bonus kicks is for every referral right now, what they're offering, okay? That's the first way to earn. That's how you earn. You got to earn your first 10 kicks after you sign up, okay? And the easiest way to do that is go to a store, whatever store is on your app, 7-Eleven, Walgreens, Rite Aid. You can go to those stores and find an item worth 10 kicks, or you can find 2 items worth 5 kicks. 5 kicks on one item, 5 kicks on another item. That's 10 kicks altogether. Once you earn your first 10 kicks, then you will activate your 500 bonus kicks. So you will have 510 bonus kicks to get you started. Okay? You can scan items. Now, when you scan these items, you guys, you go to the store, you pick up the item, you scan the barcode, you put it back. Okay? And you move on to the next one and on the next. I've earned most of my kicks at Walmart because you get 10 kicks for walking into Walmart. So if I were you guys, that's your 10 kicks right there. And then you activate your 500 bonus kicks, okay? Every person that you sign up under, you get 500 bonus kicks and they get 500 bonus kicks. But the only way to receive those 500 bonus kicks is to get your first 10 kicks. So if you get your first 10 kicks and you get your bonus kicks, you can refer somebody else, but you need to let them know that they don't get that 500 bonus kicks until they get 10 kicks. You cannot use videos to get 10 kicks anymore. Okay, scanning items, uploading receipts. Now, I showed you guys twice how to upload the receipts on the app. Okay, you basically go to the store, click on the receipt part of the app. You go into the app, you click on receipts, find whatever it is you're gonna upload, whatever you purchase, and then click on it, and then hit upload, get kicks, claim this many kicks. Then it's going to take you to the camera. You're going to upload the receipt. It's going to take about, I'd say 15-20 minutes for you to get those kicks in your balance, or maybe an hour, because it happens right away. They say it takes 48 hours, but it happens like, the longest first time I waited was 5 hours for my kicks, okay? I think I waited 5 hours. Now it takes 15-20 minutes for me to get my kicks when I upload the receipt, because it's a lot of kicks. So it takes a minute. So when you upload your receipt, purchase your item, upload your receipt for that item on the ShopKick app, you're going to need to give it a minute and let it wait for the kicks to upload, okay? For the kicks to update. So I earned today, I was able to earn 800, I think it was, kicks today for purchasing 3 bags of chips at Ralph's for 950 kicks each, okay? 950 kicks each is what I was able to get for buying those 3 bags of chips, okay? It's good to go, and you can only upload the receipt once, and there is a date, so you can purchase these kicks or this item for those kicks after the date it shows, okay? Once that date has passed, it'll show a new date. Make sure you're uploading those receipts on or after, purchasing those items on or after the date that you're seeing in the app, because if you don't, it won't go through. So please be careful with that. So like I said, this is an app that I'm promoting, ShopKick. It is a great app. I've showed you guys payment proof. It does pay, and it is amazing. You can earn $10. You have to get to 2,550 kicks to earn $10. You have to get to 6,300 kicks to earn $25. Now, they have a 50 kick. They charge you 50 of your kicks. So let's say if you get 2,550 kicks, they take 50 kicks out of that to initiate your transaction to PayPal. So remember, when you're trying to go to $25, you need to get 6,350 kicks. Now, if I were you guys, I reckon you buy the highest thing you can, even if you don't need it. Even if you don't need it, purchase it so you can get your kicks. If you're trying to earn $25, you're going to have to upload receipts to do that, because that is the more, you get more higher paying kicks. You get more kicks of higher, you get bigger kicks when you upload receipts. But you got to be careful, because some of that stuff is expensive to be purchasing, okay? So, yeah. I'm going to start doing that. When I want to get the $25, I'm going to start buying the bigger kicks. I'm going to start purchasing items that cost more for the $25 that I'm trying to get. Okay? So this is ShopKick, you guys. I know you don't, like I said, a lot of you guys probably don't really care about $10, $25, but money, that's money. You guys can use that $25 for probably some gas or a snack, or I don't know, pay a bill or something. I don't know. But I'm just bringing you guys these apps because I'm telling you, ShopKick is a great app. I've been using it, and I've been showing you guys the proof. Okay, I've gotten paid from it already like 4 or 5 times already, and it works. I know it's $10, I know it's $25, but guess what? 10 and 20, that's $35 altogether, okay? I've made over that with this app already. So I'm telling you guys, you know, if you guys don't want to join the other opportunities I'm promoting, at least join this one, because at least this can get your foot in the door with some stuff, okay? So this is a great app. I've used it already. Earn money scanning items and uploading receipts and referring your friends. You can open the ShopKick app and scan items and upload receipts. 3 ways to get kicks. The first way is you have to earn 10 kicks to activate your 500 bonus kicks. Okay, and the way you do that is go to the store that's on your app and scan 2 items that are worth 5 kicks each, or scan 1 item worth 10 kicks. If you go to Walmart or Target, CVS even has a walk-in for 10 kicks. Okay, those are the only 3 stores I know of on the app that gives you 10 kicks for a walk-in. Okay, you can scan items, you can upload receipts. Okay, remember, they charge a 50 kick transaction fee when you're transferring money to your PayPal. So keep that in mind. Make sure you get 2,550 kicks. Make sure you get 6,350 kicks so that way you'll have enough to cash out. All right. So if you're interested in ShopKick, I'll leave the referral link in the description below. That's my time, you guys. I just wanted to bring you something other than my main opportunities, so you guys know that I'm not just promoting that. If you're interested in the lower paying opportunities, these are it. Here's ShopKick. This is another one that'll get your foot in the door. Okay. Uploading receipts, like I said, is the fastest way. I told you, I cashed out, I think, yesterday I cashed out some ShopKicks, or the day before, and today I cashed out some ShopKicks. So I think I cashed out ShopKicks yesterday and today. So that's twice, okay? So you can earn some serious money with this if you're uploading receipts, is the fastest way, in my opinion, to get kicks, okay? So if you're trying to go for that $25, you can even cash out daily on this app, okay? If you wanted to. Now, the $25 is a bit much to get to because you have to get 6,300 kicks, but I'm telling you right now, it's possible. Okay, there's 3 items that I know of that can get you the 6,000 kicks in one day and you can cash out $25. I can show you that when I make another video and let you know. It's up to you if you want to purchase this item. This item is like 30, 40 bucks. I mean, altogether you might be spending almost 100 bucks for these items. I'm letting you know now. If you're willing to purchase that and you're willing to spend that much money to get $25, that's up to you. I mean, I would do it just because, you know, you'll get some of your money back, but it's not about the money. It's about the fact that you can show people that you're making money, okay? So ShopKick will be in the description below, you guys. Remember what I said, when you guys sign up, if you sign up under me, you have to earn your 10 ShopKicks. There's only been 2 of my referrals so far that have actually done what I said. The other ones didn't do anything. They just downloaded it and left it and didn't do nothing. So I'm looking for serious people. If you're interested, I'll leave the referral link in the description below, okay? Remember, there's a 50 kick transaction fee when you get ready to cash out. You need to get 2,550 kicks to cash out $10, and you need to get 6,300 kicks to cash out $25, and that's to PayPal. There's other gift cards as well, but PayPal is the main go-to for me. So if you're interested in ShopKick, I will leave the referral link in the description below. Please like this video, share this video, click on the notification bell, subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Take care and stay safe, you guys.